Good morning everyone. Today we will do chapter 5 of Geography Water. In this chapter we will read about water, distribution of water bodies, ocean circulations, waves, tides and ocean currents. In the first page we will read about evaporation. It is the process by which water is converted into water vapor with the sun's heat, and when the water vapors cool down it forms cloud, and later on it may fall on the land and sea in the form of rain. Now it is important to remember that major source of fresh water is river, ponds, springs and glacier. Ocean bodies and sea contain salty water. The water of the ocean is very salty or saline as it contains large amount of dissolved salts. Most of the salt is sodium chloride or the common table salt that you eat, like this. Coming to the next topic, distribution of water bodies. It is a fact that 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. So it seems funny, if there is more water than land on earth, why do so many countries face water scarcity? बड़ी हैरानी की बात है, अगर अर्थ का 3/4 पार्ट वाटर है तो बहुत सारे देशों में पानी की कमी क्यों है? द फॉलोइंग टेबल गिव्स द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वाटर इन परसेंटेज. ये टेबल हमें दिया हुआ है जिससे पता लगता है कि वाटर का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कहाँ पर कितना है. सबसे ज़्यादा है ओशियंस में 97.3, आइस कैप्स 2%, ग्राउंड वाटर 0.68, फ्रेश वाटर लेक्स 0.009, इनलैंड सीज एंड सॉल्ट लेक्स 0.009, एटमॉस्फेयर में जो मॉइस्चर के रूप में रहते हैं 0.0019 एंड रिवर्स में 0.0001. Our next topic is ocean circulations. Try to imagine feeling on standing on a beach, exposing your feet in the ocean water, sand, cool breeze and smell of salty water, birds and music of waves. So much fascinating. The reason behind it that ocean water keeps moving continuously. It never stops, like ponds and rivers. And the terms related to ocean can be categorized as waves, tides and currents. Now let's read about waves. When the water of the surface of ocean rises and falls alternatively, they are called waves. During a storm, the winds blowing at a very high speed form huge waves. These may cause destruction. As a result, a huge tidal wave called tsunami. आप सबने सुनामी का नाम सुना ही है. On the other hand, tides are different. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called a tide. In a tide, there is a pattern. It happens twice and thrice in a day, and waves are regular. Tides can be high or low. The reason behind it, the strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth's surface. During the Amavasya, the sun, the moon, and the earth are in same line, and tides are highest, and these tides are called spring tides. Now on the half moon day, the moon is at 90-degree angle as compared earth and sun. Due to this position, the gravitational force of the moon pulls the ocean water diagonally, as a result forming low tides. High tides help in navigation. This helps ships to arrive at the harbor more easily. The high tides also help in fishing. The rise and fall of water due to tides is being used to generate electricity in some places. Now, ocean currents. Ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in a definite directions. There are two types of ocean currents, warm and cold. In this picture, red color arrow indicates warm ocean currents and blue indicates cold ocean currents. The warm ocean currents generally originates near equator. They move towards the pole, that is south and north pole. The cold ocean currents originated near poles. They move towards the tropical area. The ocean currents influence the temperature conditions of the area. For example, Canada. Ocean currents near Canada is very cold. Look at the map. जहाँ पर रेड और ब्लू एरो एक साथ है, वो एरिया फिशिंग के लिए बहुत ही अप्रोप्रिएट है, बहुत ही सूटेबल है. और नाउ लुक एट द प्लेसेस, देयर आर द बेस्ट एरिया बिकॉज देयर आर वार्म एंड कोल्ड करंट्स मीट. पर वहाँ पर जहाँ पर वार्म और कोल्ड करंट्स मिलते हैं, ओशियन करंट्स, वहाँ पर बहुत ही फोगी वेदर रहता है. उस फोगी वेदर रहने के कारण से जो नेविगेशन के लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ी डिफ़िकल्टी बन जाती है, प्रॉब्लम बन जाती है. नाउ द चैप्टर एंड्स. थैंक यू.